Hey guys, good morning. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching Real Estate Insider, our podcast where America goes for funding for the last 20 years. We're your direct nationwide commercial and residential lender. Call or text us at the number above, the 832-431-6331. Today we're talking about one of our new programs for 2022. It's called Day One Certainty. Day One Certainty. So we're going to talk about what is Day One Certainty, because it's a huge and powerful, impactful thing, how it affects you on your closing. So one of the biggest problems in the mortgage and real estate industry is the loan closing can take forever. It can be very stressful. People get frustrated. They get deal fatigue. There's so many people involved: appraisers, real estate agents, brokers, lenders, investors, title companies, insurance companies, mortgage brokers, all this stuff. And if it all doesn't synchronize in harmony, it could affect the closing, extend the closing, your deal could fall apart. And so Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and all the big agencies are obviously well aware of this. So we've created a product called Day One Certainty. So if you can kind of think about what does Day One Certainty mean, that means that because the lender, they want certainty they can make a loan on you. So inside of the video, in the description of the YouTube, there's a link to a PDF pamphlet that explains what Day One Certainty is. But basically, in a nutshell, in a summary, what Day One Certainty is, it streamlines the whole real estate transaction process. So instead of taking 45 or 60 days, you could potentially close a loan in 2 weeks. So that time is here, and it's getting closer and closer, and it's getting more refined and more optimized. So with Day One Certainty, the cool thing about it, everything's streamlined, automated. Our software links to your bank accounts, to your paycheck stubs. Like if you use PaySource or Paycom or Paychex, if you bank with Chase or Wells Fargo, they just instantly access that information, and they're able to determine, what's your credit score. They instantly access your credit bureaus from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They access your bank records. They access all the information they need through the API, through the automated intelligence, to determine your eligibility for the loan. So instead of you having to go and gather all these documents, bank statements, tax returns, W-2s, pay stubs, we're actually link into your file when you fill out the application and grab that information within minutes. And then we can determine your debt ratio, your income, loan products, eligibility. We can also zoom in online with Google Maps and do a desktop evaluation of your property. So there are certain times when you can have an appraisal waiver where your home doesn't even need an appraisal. And that's a very long process right now in the loan business. Some appraisals are taking 3 and 4 weeks. So what we're seeing is sophisticated technology that's allowing you to go online, get a automated valuation of your property to determine the value and the condition of your home. So this is where we're going, the step that we're going with Day One Certainty. It's very powerful, and it's something that we're offering right now to all of you consumers out there. So we want to hear from you. If you want to close faster, you want to close with certainty, you want to make sure your deal closes. I hear customers all the time, horror stories, where they put up earnest money, they lose their earnest money because the lender denies the loan last minute. Well, what if you could get pre-approved in minutes and know if you qualify for sure? That's the benefit and the power of Day One Certainty is precision, expedition. You have agility, and these things are very important in the real estate marketplace for you to be able to close on time and make sure that you can close with confidence. Because what you don't want to have happen is that your deal fall apart because a human being, made an error and improperly calculated your income or looked at your credit report the wrong way or put you on the wrong loan product. So Day One Certainty is very powerful, and it's here. So please reach out to us if we can help you with this program to get you pre-approved. We would love to help you. You can call or text us at the number above, the 832-431-6331. We want to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching Angelo Christian, and check out my next video.